Wonderful.
I was so afraid. They look amazing.
Hey everyone, it's Dr. Barrett and we're about to do a lip injection. I really am excited about this because I want to show you how I do it in a natural looking way. Okay, so many times we see overdone lips that are very fake and very sausage looking. There's a lot of techniques that I incorporate to augment the natural shape and form of our own patient's lips. So I'm going to show you this today. So I just want to point out a couple things on our patient's lips. She has a really beautiful Cupid's bow here. So this natural dip that comes in here and then rides back up here. These are the filtral columns. We generally try to leave those alone, but we don't want to blunt them. The other key point is you want to make sure that you don't forget about the corners, because if you fill the entire lip here and you don't do anything in the corners, your lips will appear exaggerated compared to your face. So that's actually the very first thing we're going to do with her lip injection. Now remember, the top lip should be about 75% the size of the lower lip. You never want the top lip to be bigger than the lower lip. So our patient is done with the injection, but we're actually doing a special massage, and that's really key to prevent lumpy bumpiness in our patient's lip. Okay, lips are like an accordion. They kind of expand and contract, so you want to make sure it's nice and smooth throughout. You ready to see?
Ready.
There you go.
Oh my god, they look amazing. I love that. I just love the shape and the fullness right now. They look so, like, very natural. I was so afraid. They look amazing.